Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. This is going to be a very different video from what you usually see on my channel because this isn't about anything related to career. This is a very general life experience and followed by lots of realizations. So, for those of you who don't know, I'm in Thailand right now in Phuket, and I've covered lots of different places in Thailand, most of them solo. A few were with friends, but then this was the first international travel where I planned everything on my own. Not just planning, funding it because a few years ago this would have been a dream. Traveling with your own money, traveling alone, planning everything. But having done it, it feels amazing and wanted to come here and share my experience about solo travel and what it feels like to be from a middle class family, but now in a position to be able to do all of this for yourself, by yourself. hmm I wish this for everyone. So, though it's not my first solo travel, but because it was a long one that gave me a lot of me time, lot of time alone, I got a lot of time to think. And because I got a lot of time to think, here are some of my realizations about solo travel. And why everyone should do it at least once. So the first one has to be is because it teaches you how to be comfortable in your own company. Traveling solo gives you a lot of time with yourself. Time where you have to, after a point, learn to be okay with not doing anything. It's just you and your thoughts. शुरू में थोड़ा अजीब लग सकता है, but after a point, it gets comfortable. After a point, आप सोचते भी नहीं हो of eating alone, eating in a restaurant अकेले, walking the streets alone. जैसे मैंने कुछ लोगों को बताया that I'm doing this on my own. They were like, कर क्या रहे हो? What are you doing alone? But after a point, कुछ सोचना ही नहीं पड़ता. You know, okay, these are the places I want to visit. This is how I'll get there. I want to stop to eat. This is what I want to eat. So you look up. And then you just get comfortable with doing everything on your own. Second has to be that it makes you super hyper independent, self-reliant. I know कोई नहीं आने वाला है to save me if I get in trouble. Not that I've gotten in trouble apart from one or two experiences which I'll tell you, but हाँ, everything from keeping your phone in charge, carrying a power bank, ensuring you have internet, ensuring you have downloaded Google Maps, ensuring you have money with you, a card, be it figuring out the city transport. आप वो सब करते हो खुद से and it gives you a different kind of confidence. You know, I can take care of myself. I can take care of myself anywhere, no matter what the language, as long as I have thoda bahut technology and ability to walk very long distances. Yeah, I've walked a lot here. And it makes you super happy with yourself. The next thing solo travel teaches you is that people around the world are so much more similar than we think. I've met lots of people in this place. Like Thailand has tourists from across the world. So many places from North America, Canada, UK, across Europe, Latin America, Central Asia, Southeast Asia. And most of the people are similar. उनको घूमना है, उनको experiences करने हैं. They are trying to make money. They have dreams. They are not satisfied with themselves in certain areas. They are super proud of themselves in certain areas. Surface level, yeah, things can be very different. Given that the country you come from, आपका average economic conditions could be very different. Your quality of life could be very different, but अंदर से humans are very much the same. And then you get to see that when you're traveling across the world. And the next point is about differences. So when you're traveling to a new place और आप वहाँ के लोग और वहाँ का कल्चर समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत सारी चीजें आपको अपने कल्चर या अपने वे ऑफ लिविंग से बहुत डिफरेंट लगेगी. एंड देन यू रियलाइज, अच्छा, जिंदगी जीने का इतना अलग तरीका भी हो सकता है. या द वे यू बीन लिविंग इज सो डिफरेंट. नो राइट्स एंड रॉन्ग्स, जस्ट दैट so different ways of living. Like I've gotten so comfortable with being in my own skin, just unbothered. I won't say unbothered, undisturbed. Because यहाँ पे temperatures इतना ज़्यादा है, इतनी high humidity है. I've gotten so comfortable with wearing whatever I want. I've gotten so comfortable with seeing people in swimwear, in bikinis. It's very different in India. Like people stare at you, people cat call, but वो सब यहाँ पे zero है. No one disturbs you on the street. You can just do anything you want. The food is so different. The markets are so different. The way people communicate with each other is so different. The temples, the way people pray, the way people follow religion is so different. Gender equality is so different. Like, women doing everything here alone, absolutely undisturbed. कोई आपको नहीं तंग कर रहा है यहाँ पे, and you're like, okay, wow, itni equality, itna freedom. The next point is that solo travel forces you to research a lot. Yeah, because you're on your own, you have to research the basics of the language there, the basics of the public transport, the at least basic phrases जो आप use कर सकते हैं. You find out the best places to go in the city. You find out the good things about the place, what the place is known for, and walking around, you get a vibe of the city जो मे बी आपको नहीं मिलेगा अगर आप एक ग्रुप में हैं जहाँ पे आप वही बातें कर रहे हैं, वही चीजें कर रहे हैं जो मे बी आप इंडिया में भी साथ में होते तो वही करते हैं. एंड फाइनली द नेक्स्ट थिंग अबाउट सोलो ट्रैवल इज दैट यू डोंट हैव टू आस्क एनीवन फॉर एनीथिंग. एक शहर में 5 चीजें हो सकती हैं पर आपको उनमें से 3 ही चीजें करने का मन है. यू जस्ट गो टू दोस 3 प्लेसेस. यू डोंट हैव टू कन्विंस एनीवन, यू डोंट हैव टू आस्क एनीवन फॉर परमिशन. आपको अपना जितना रेस्ट करना है, जितना फ्लेक्सिबल चाहिए अपना ट्रैवल, आप अब बिल्कुल उसको वैसे प्लान कर सकते हैं. एंड देन यू रियलाइज सो मच अबाउट योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो. अच्छा, मुझे इस तरह की चीजें करना पसंद है बिकॉज मैं कंसिस्टेंटली वैसे ही एक्टिविटीज चूज करी. जैसे फॉर मी इट वॉज about experiences and a lot of shopping, and there were slow days that I took, there were rest days that I made ensured कि मेरे travel में है, क्योंकि मैं I also realized कि after a point I need human connection. मैं थोड़े like after 10 days of solo travel there was a day when I just wanted to speak to someone. Now coming to the parts of solo travel that may not be as exciting. The first one has to be, like I said, a little bit of loneliness. After a point, you do need people to talk to. You do need people to share experiences with. I wish I had someone to talk about it to. I wish I had people to do activities around here. Run, laugh, joke, play. And the next thing is fear. ऐसे तो कुछ भी अजीब नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे. But yeah, I did have a small experience where a man came up to me and though it was polite only, but he was asking me if I want to join him clubbing and go partying. I was kind of taken aback because he was a little forceful. Chalo, chalo, chalo. I was like, no, I'm good, thank you. That was the closest that I came to having an unwanted experience. Another thing is that while doing this, you may realize that this is not for you. I met people solo traveling and them telling me that they did not find it as fulfilling or as joyful, and they would not want to solo travel more. They would want to do it with their friends. And there was a day when I also felt that. So that could be a realization, which is absolutely okay. But ठीक है, एक बार किया, and I got to know so much about myself, so much about a new country, which is a win. And I read this somewhere. If the goal is to experience, everything is a win. Because no matter what you do, where you go, like it, don't like it, that experience will be a win. And irrespective, you will feel proud of yourself. You will feel like you did something uncomfortable, challenging, but came out of it victorious. Came out of it with new memories. करना चाहिए ये. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये करके.